If you are looking for air freshener for your car, today we're gonna test the Andobil car air freshener and we're gonna compare it with the Febreze air freshener and we're gonna see which one smells the best and is easier to install. Coming up next. This is what it comes inside of the box. This is the Andobil car air freshener. So this is the air freshener. It's sealed on the back, so I'm not gonna open it yet until I put it on the car. It comes with the clip for the vent right here and a string so you can put it on the rear view mirror if you want, and the manual if you want more details how to use it. So this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay guys, we're ready. We have here the Febreze air freshener and this is the Andobil air freshener. This one comes with two items, the clip or the string to put it on the side mirror, rear mirror. Okay, so let's start with this one. Let's test this one. Let's open it. Let's put this one aside. Okay, with this one you have to open it. Okay, got it. Okay, let me see how this one smells. Wow, it smells real good. It smells like a perfume, like a men's cologne. Okay, so will it work with any direction? I think so. Okay, just put it like this, or you can remove it like that. Okay, like that. So it's super easy. And you can see the clip is here on the back. Wow, already smells very good. It smells like a men's perfume or cologne, like those expensive colognes. So let's put it here. Okay, wow, it's very easy. And that's everything. So let's turn on the car. The air. Oh yeah. If you let me turn it off so I can talk. Okay, this one smells real good. If you make the direction, you direct the vent, if you make them directly to you, the smell of the air freshener, it will go direct to you. Wow, it smells real good. So this one is great. Now let's put it on the mirror. Let's see. So it has the string. So it comes with this string. You can see it. Okay. So this one, you put this one inside on the middle like that, and then put the other one on the center and like that. Have it like that and then adjust it here. And here you can adjust it like that. Like that. If you don't want to put it on your vent, you can put it like that. It looks real good. Okay, now it's time to test this one. The other air freshener is outside of the car, so that way we won't get confused with the smell of this one. Okay, so first let's open it. Okay, this one, it comes with two in one package. This one is $6 and the other one is $30. So this one, it says 80 days. I think for both probably is 40 and 40 days. Okay, so this one, to activate it, it has a clip on the back. You only have to fold the clip like this and pull it up until you hear a click. Okay. And it has this one to put the maximum or no vent, no smell. Okay, so to the left is closed and to the right is open all the way. So you put in the middle, it's in the middle. All right. So on this one, I don't smell anything. Oh, okay, I'm starting to smell it. It smells, this one, good. It smells like fruit. This is the berry, winter berry. It smells like fruit. So, same thing. Let's put it on the car. Let's see. Whoa, man, the thing is too long. Man, this one doesn't want to stay. Why? Well, we have to put it this way. So, unfortunately, this one won't work for all the vents. Okay, like that. First thing that I already saw, this one I can barely smell it. This one I smell it, but it's, ooh man, nothing. So maybe you have to turn on the air to smell it. Maybe to the max. Okay, I'm starting to smell it, but it's too light and it's all the way to the max. It smells good, by the way. It smells like fruits. Okay, now it's time to compare both of them with the air on, the air conditioning on. So let's turn this thing on. Yeah, when the air is on, I can smell both of them at the same time. This one is stronger, but I still can smell the berries, the fruity smell of this one. Yeah, I can smell it. It's time to give my opinion. Okay, now that we already saw both of them, I'm gonna give my opinion. So let's start with the pros and cons for each product. Let's start with the pros. This one, it will last 60 days, okay? And the smell is very good. And the other pro that is strong, but not crazy strong that it will make you dizzy. No, it's very good, the smell, and it smells like perfume. Another pro that you can use it in any vent, and also you can use it on the rear view mirror. That's another pro. So I think those are all the pros for this one. The cons probably is the price. It's $30. This one is $30. That's the only con that I can find on this one. Let's start with the pros for this one. The first pro is the price. $6 for 2 pieces of this one. I think is very good. The other pro is small. It's not too big. That's good. And other pro that it smells good. Okay. Now the cons about this one. First con is this one. This clip, it will not work for all the vents, okay? Only for some vents it will work, okay? The other con only will last 20 days. 20 days. Another con that it doesn't smell like a lot, okay? It smells super light. You have to turn on the air to smell it, but it smells good, okay? Other than that, this one smells good. Now that I already compare both of them, this one, the Andobil, is better. It's more great. The smell is better. It smells real good, like a perfume. Okay, this will work for any vent. Okay, but the only thing is the price. Okay, so if you wanna get something that will last 60 days, get this one. But if you want something that only lasts 20 days, but it's like $6, $3 each, get this one. Okay, so $3, $30. Let me know which one do you like the most. Okay, on my opinion, this one is very good, but you will have to pay $30, but it's gonna last longer. On the double, this one is great. The design is very good, and it will work for any vent and also the rear view mirror. Okay, the link for both of these products are gonna be on the description on the video down below, but let me know which one do you think is better. Okay, in my opinion, this one is better. This one smells good too, but only is gonna only last 20 days, around 20 days. Okay, let me know what you guys think. If you found this helpful, please like the video, and that helps the video and the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.